So, welcome to my channel. First of all, sorry for the delay because I didn't upload it for a very long time. In this video, I come up with this project. This project is about making our own code compiler where the HTML, CSS and JavaScript code run like JSP. It will be the simple one in this video where the code run only and I try my best to make it simple for you. Then in the next video I put some jQuery animation to make it look better. I hope you like it. The idea of this project comes from this channel. There is other video as well. If you want to see, you can check it out as well. If you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe my channel. Let's start. I am using Visual Studio, so first I have to add the HTML, CSS or JavaScript file and then link them. And after that I have to check that they are working properly or not. Adding in views, it is easy. Just right click on the project and then click on the add and then new item. Then search for HTML, CSS or JavaScript file that you want to add. Select them and give them a name. First, making the menu bar for the code player, then add a logo in that. Speeding up the CSS coding, you can pause the code if you want to copy the code, or the source code of this project is in the description. For the HTML, CSS, JavaScript insert option using UL and li for this. Now making this button which run the coding for us. Text area will be used where the user could their code in it separately for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Same coding for every text area, so copy and paste it and just change the name of ID and class. Now jQuery coding is going to start. For this project you need jQuery script tag. Put it in your code first. JavaScript and jQuery code are mixed in it. I'm not the professional, I'm just the beginner in this. Using this container height to make the text area look like JS pin. Using the toggle function to do the toggling between HTML, CSS, JavaScript and result option. Now doing coding for the run button, we have a code run. First HTML code run, then CSS, and after that JavaScript code run. It is working perfectly fine. In the next video, put some jQuery animation to make it look better. The next video will come soon, so subscribe my channel, like the video.